close to the end of the Peloponnesian War, now comedy comes into play more than ever as a tool for political dissidence. Because even though this war is going on, free speech is alive and well in Athens. So quite often in the plays by the writers of comedies that are performed on the same stage at the Theater of Dionysus as tragedies are, you have characters in the plays of these comedy writers who are obviously patterned on politicians of the present day in Athens, but doing things that are fictional yet horrific, and still allowed to do so on the stage without any reprisal by those in power. While the war is going on, the comedy writers, and most famously Aristophanes, the comedy writer who is the best in Athens, and especially during the Peloponnesian War, he writes these plays that involve these characters obviously patterned on politicians of the present day doing horrific things, and is allowed to do so. So that's, you can call that nothing but free speech.